everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to trim or cut a video in CapCut PC. Let's start by using this video as our example. Firstly, I prefer to zoom in on the project a bit for better visibility. You can adjust the zoom level on the right panel. To trim the video, position your cursor at the start or end of the video. When the cursor changes to 2 arrows and a line, click and hold, then drag to the desired trim point. Release the click once you've set the trim point. Another method to trim is by placing the cursor at a specific point and pressing the split button or CT or LB to create a split. This action divides the video into 2 parts. To delete a segment, click on it and press the bin icon or the delete key. You can also make additional splits to separate and remove unwanted parts. Notice the delete left and delete right buttons next to the split option. Clicking delete left removes everything to the left of the split. While delete right removes everything to the right. And there you have it. These methods demonstrate how you can efficiently trim and cut videos in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was informative and useful for you. Thank you for watching.